Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to know your tracking number or how to copy your tracking number on Pinduoduo app. Alright, but before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload content about importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you can actually place orders successfully without using any agent, all you have to do is to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Or better still, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 Sahoba or Pinduoduo, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. I will be able to attend to whatsoever inquiry you might have for me as far as importation business is concerned. Okay, so let's get to the practical started. So as you can see from the screen right here, this is my Pinduoduo app. So I'm going to click on it right away. Alright, when you open up your Pinduoduo app, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, but before I dive into the real practical of this thing is that you need to understand the most reason why you need to have your tracking number. One of the reasons why you need to have your tracking number is because of the fact that your shipping company may ask you to send your tracking number, so for them to confirm the recipient of your goods, all right, in their warehouse in China. So this simply means that before you can know your tracking number or before you can copy your tracking number, your goods must be on transit. Okay, so let's see. So for you to know that, you have to, when you open up your Pinduoduo app, you have to locate your profile from the point where I click right here. So enter your profile. So when you get to your profile, this is where it's going to open up. Okay, now you need to click on here, this point here. So I'm going to click right away. All right, so the order is going to open up like this, just like what you see on the screen. Then the next thing you have to do is to click on product link. Click on product link right here. Click on product link, this link right here. Click on that. So this one from here, and then so I'm going to click on it right away. Then it's open up this way. Okay, now you can easily scroll down and tap on here for more information about your order. Click on this point here. So I'm going to click on it. You see more information drop down. All right, so from the point here, this is where you determine, this is where you get your tracking number. This number here is your tracking number for this particular goods. Okay, now for you to copy the tracking number, you just have to click on here. Click on here to copy the tracking number, which I'm going to do right away. Boom. So your tracking number has been successfully copied. So you can as well translate to be sure of what you did. So if I move my mouse here, it's going to, you can see courier number. So courier number is the same thing as your tracking number. You can send it to your shipping company to confirm the recipient of your goods. Now, for you to be sure that your goods is on transit, you can see the top here. So this is how you copy your tracking number, your order tracking number on Pinduoduo. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.